down. From both of us.
Over there right now.
Arrest the guys.
Get the point now.
And we're back.
Not fast enough, mate.
I'm fucking a little bit concussed.
Oh, okay, well then you should definitely go.
Are you going to leave or not?
I'm leaving.
Okay, leave then.
People at the top. Get back! Come, more units, more units!
Hey, where the fuck are you going? Where the fuck are you going?
Right, stay where you are! Right, get your hands out now! Get your hands out now!
Dude, it looks like that.
Right, you're under arrest for criminal damage and a fray, okay?
Can you please
No.
do it?
Get your arms to your back!
Oh, no, you don't have to do that. Legally, you don't have to do that.
Get your arms!
I've got...
Look,
Ow,
you're
hitting me! You're hitting me!
get on the floor!
I'm on the floor!
Right,
Can you just please?
stop!
Ow!
Messing
No,
around.
that really hurt!
Yes, you're messing.
Ow, my Ow!
Taser, taser! Come, we need more. We've had 2 tasers. We've been hit with hammers. Can you just get units, please?
Stop fucking electrocuting me! You're literally standing on me!
Right. Yeah.
There's a wall of it.
Right. Yeah, Kate, you right?
What the idiot? Why would you do that?
Your mate just hit us with a hammer. I think you're the idiot. Kate, you right, mate?
I think so.
Idiot.
Oh, you asshole!
Stop it! For what?
Doing that to your mate!
Well, him. He's an asshole.
Oh, it wasn't you.
Who?
It wasn't you.
It wasn't me.
I thought it was you.
That hit my mate with a hammer.
You just electrocuted her.
No, I didn't.
I'm pretty sure you did.
That's your mate.
How did my mate get electrocuted?
All gaslighting tactics.
Kate, you okay? Right.
6-9.
Aaron.
Ow,
How many more we got?
can you not do that, please?
Right, Kate, you alright?
Look, I'm complying now.
Yeah, we've got
Right,
upcoming
mate.
needs for the...
Faggot! Taser, taser! Hit round down your pocket! Gay!
Idiot, why would you do that?
Keep your hands out your pockets. Drop it! Pete, they got a lighter.
Stop leading.
We've been told 6, we got 3 detained. We got another one, mate. Just sit there for me, pal. Right, what's happened? Get your arms out. You can stop me messing around now.
The only number we've had so far, that's unconfirmed.
Right.
You mentioned 8 people inside the building. One of the
Mate, just get your arms up back now. Yes, he does. Right, mate, you hit our mate with a hammer. You're violent. No, he's hit our mate with a hammer. So you leave with a hammer. This guy hit me in the head. Right, you come here. Stay on the floor. Stop messing around. You've hit on me with a hammer. You fucking stay on the floor. You do not get up, right? Stand up and come with me, right?
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
Right, mate, stop messing around. Okay, that's fine. Turn him around. Just turn him around, we'll drag him.
Are we taking this, Jen? Yeah?
Let go. Come on.
This motherfucker is locked.